Henry Manning 585, guys. Check it out, man. Could we get a moment of silence real quick for a little bit? We toasted that joint, guys. Man, if you want to go where I'm going to do what the hell I'm doing, that's how you got to bash. It ain't your car no more. Yeah, you bought it, but that shit belonged to the peoples. Check it out, man. We got Mad Max back, goddammit. The only thing I didn't do was wipe the body off. We'll do that in the morning, but check it out, though. You see them new Badlands shining? They ain't even touched the ground yet, guys. Let's look up underneath the hood real quick for a little bit. For a little bit. Look at that joint, guys. Everything in that joint from top to bottom, brand new. The only thing I got to do next is put the battery trays on the top of that joint. We don't need the batteries flying out, guys. But other than that, everything else is brand spanky new. Man, I can't wait. I ain't had my Mad Max servable in the right way for about a month and a half now, guys. We went through this joint. We changed everything out brand new. Brand new discs in the front and back. Brand new Badlands. Brand new chassis. New shock oil. We cutting up. We ain't playing with no goddamn body. Let's check it out. You see, I took the sticker off the window, guys. I took the scroll off the window because we're going to this kids center at the rec center. We're going to teach the kids about the RC cars, man. We got the kids for about 2 weeks. They gave us a program. We're going to go there tomorrow. It's going to be epic, guys. So make sure you tune in that joint. Check it out, man. I wanted to make this video real quick for a little bit before I take my ass to sleep. I just wanted to finish the truck and put the video up for y'all asses. You know what I'm saying, man? Let's do this the right way real quick for a little bit. Let's do this the right way real quick for a little bit. We jumping. And we ain't playing with no goddamn body. Cut that joint.